Hey, we are doing a presentation on a FPGA. We're gonna program it to work as an alarm clock. As you can see, it's counting right now, so we're gonna set our time. By selecting 1, it's gonna stop the time. I can push on a key 1 by changing the hours. On a key 2, I can change the minute. Okay. Next, we can set also the alarm.
So we can
by
roll
pushing
over back to seconds. This will correctly set the alarm, and let's double check. This is at 6:10, so let's do this at 6:11. Should be 11. This should be 6. Double check. Okay, we're looking right on time. We're gonna have to switch this switch for the alarm to be on. Double check last second. 6:11. Here we go. We're gonna roll over.
And when the alarm is on, LED 7 gonna blink to tell us that the alarm is on.
And switch 3 also sets the alarm on and off. So now we can reset everything. Clock goes back on, and now we can look at fast mode. Make sure everything rolls over correctly. Let's watch it go past 23.
So the double speed is 2 increments in 1 second. Yeah. So basically, I'm going to just say, I can say the clock is set to my clock. Okay. So
your double speed clock.
It would go to my my half second incremented.
Whatever you're incrementing in your double speed clock, when it equals a value, say 0. Go either you have key 2 pressed, but you don't have key 3 pressed.
Yeah.
That's when it increments in minutes.
Yeah. Okay. So what I could do, I'm thinking then, is when
Okay,
I could
just reach 19, 20.
key 0.
Once you reach 23, you should be able to start over
Or
to 0.
key 2. Yeah, key 2, for example, which is
Okay, just roll back to 0. Now, all the function we can add, if we push both switch 1 and switch 2, nothing should happen.
that for minutes, so I can just set
Here you go. The alarm the clock keep on going. We are not setting nothing. Same thing if we push both key 2 and key 3.
Well, we're setting this, right? So if
Yeah.
we go to time set, turn
Yeah,
it off.
time sets, okay.
And so I don't even
If we're pressing both, nothing happens.
Nothing happens. So, and then that's it. And then this one is to set the clock back to 0.
Right? Just text me, but
Yep.
don't
Thank you.
Don't text me in the